Sure, I moet die honestly.
In Matikama in Vredendal met minister Guyton McKenzie. En kijk hoe lyk hierdie swembad in Vredendal. Ons was in Vredendal Noord. Martel, wat is hy swembad sy naam in Vredendal Noord? Ja.
Wat ons groot word. Die stem julle nie. Daarso.
Ja.
En pres ons het maar voetjies vasgemaak.
Ja, dit so dat hulle die voete dak gemaak het.
Pres.
Hoe moet jy nou gaan breisteens as dit man? Lekker brei, net kan piknik hou. Lekker onder die bome.
Nou, hoe lang is die plek al so toe?
En COVID.
COVID. Hoe kom ons nie weer opgemaak het? Geld die.
Finansies is 'n bietjie tyd. Ons is met 'n debt relief munisipaliteit. Ons het met toe die raad inkom in 2021 gestaan hy staan al klaar 112 miljoen rand.
Yes.
Dis kom skuld.
Yes.
Kan ik me daaraan kan ik vragen, is het niet dat ik vraag, ik heb dan gelezen dat die specifieke zwembad, dat is wat soort zwembad.
100% beter.
Fake news.
That's correct, my lord.
Ja, die in
Nee, niet verder.
So ons is met minister Guyton McKenzie. We are here in Vredendal in Matikama municipality with the municipal manager Lionel Phillips and Minister Guyton McKenzie. We are looking at this sore site. This swimming pools were closed during COVID time, and so the minister is going to take this project on.
Ja, toch. Ik heb het klaar weghalen, maar ik niet.
Minister, ek is live op my Facebook.
Wow.
Baie welkom in die Weskus en in Matikama. Is 'n besondere eer. Monica.
Met hulle is te kort, ik kan het niet zeggen.
So minister, what did you do today?
Wel, die vrouw mensen wat je hier ziet. Ze bel me af van ik gepoint is. There has been a site, the combi court, there has been a hall, like a whole sporting facility that has been going left to right, but it never was completed. And together with the mayor of Matikama and now Councillor Monica, we gave 20 million from my department. The whole thing cost 30 million. We got the mine involved. The municipality gave something, the province gave something, but we gave 20 million, and today we handed it over.
Sure.
I also put in chess, cricket, netball, rugby, soccer gear. I put in die hele toetie vir ons mense hier.
Ja, klaver is binne.
Klaver is binnekant. Die binnekant.
Vredendal is nou binne.
En ek is nou hier vir die swembad, want sy het nou, ek kom van wijk 4 af, die vrou is in
Ek is
wijk
'n
4 man.
jaloerse vrou.
So wat maak ons hier, minister?
Now, you know, for me, people understand, swimming pools are very important for me. Because a swimming pool is not only for children, it's for the parents, it's for the whole family. Look at this place, there can be picnic here, children can be out of the street. Everybody must know how to swim. That is the one thing people don't understand. Because môre val jy in die water, of is 'n groot reën wat kom. Dan jy weer van ons klou wat kan swem. Dat hulle vir ons wil afdruk.
Ja.
Almal moet kan swem. And I want to say to everyone, you gotta know how to swim. And where did we learn to swim? By the swimming pools when we grew up. How can there not be swimming pools there were swimming pools in apartheid when I grew up. How can there not be swimming pools in democracy?
Ja.
So we are here to fix the pools in Matikama. We are here to make sure that our children are happy. Do you know I'm the Minister of Happiness? So I came to make people happy today, and I'm going to make people more happy. All right, bye, dankie.
Minister, ek moet nou net soos 'n vinnige sot inkry in die Namakwa munisipaliteit in Namakwa. Daar is ook 'n groot behoefte na sportspesies. Wat is u plan met Namakwa?
Kijk, ons het mos nou besluit geneem. As ons inkom, vat ons oor.
Ja.
Ons die hele PA leierskap. Ons praat nou PIA politiek. Moenie weer sê ons mixie goed, dit is nou PIA politiek. Dis patriotte wat hier staan. Ons het nou ons hele arsenaal gevestig op Namakwa. Onze mense in Namakwa se huise word nie klaar gebou nie. Onze mense word gesellig dat huise kry. Dan gaan daar girls in die huise. Maar die mense op die waglyste kry nie die huise nie. Onze kinders kry nie werk in die Namakwa nie. Daar word al die gepraat van projekte, maar sien nie die goedes, die boom van projekte werkvrugte af nie. So wat ons nou doen as die Patriotiese Alliansie, ons het gesê ons kom in met alle mag en alle krag. Ons het ons eister ikone gestuur soos Jonas Goete. Sê my goed, hulle sê gat maak op die pad. Ons kom nou in met die arsenale. So ons kom in Namakwa, mense van Namakwa, ek wil julle vertel vandag. Die PIA gaan Namakwa beheer. En julle gaan nie verandering sien as ons inkom nie. Julle gaan sien voor ons inkom. So ons kom Namakwa toe om te kom kyk wat ons kan doen vir die mense vir werk. Vir ons mense se regte, vir sport, vir landbou. Maar mees belangrik is vir die mynwese. Dit kan nie wees nie dat ons mense is delwers. Onze mense kry permitte. Maar die permit is nie die geld werd waarvoor hulle kry nie. Nou ongelukkig vir hulle is ek 'n groot mynbaas. Ek verstaan mynwese. En ek weet as iemand gerop word. En onze mense word diep ingeloop. So ons kom nou soontoe om die mynouens te ontmoet, die delwers. Ons kom soontoe om die manne van sport te ontmoet. Ons kom soontoe om die manne wat in landbou is te ontmoet. Ons gaan 'n hele ommeswaai bring na die munisipaliteit. Mense moenie baie nie.
Die Patriots was vanoggend in die shopping mall in Springbok. 'n army van voedsoldaten van die PA. En hulle het vir USAID en Shoprite tot 'n stilstand vanoggend gebring.
Amen.
In Springbok, ek en Jonas is op pad nou terug om te gaan aansluit.
Nou dink as ek nou in einde April, as ek uitsteek, ek Landela op die gronde. As ek Landela op die gronde. Voor ek kom uit van die man. Ek kom nie liane nie. Ek kom met verandering.
Amen.
So ek meen, julle is nog op pad Johannesburg toe om die
so die t-shirts.
Om die t-shirts te hê vir die mense, julle gaan groen, daai t-shirts kom maar groen moeilikheid jou. Yes.
Dankie minister. Time to talk.
Patriots. As you've heard, another place that the minister is looking at rejuvenating the pool. Just look at the place, and this is just one of many, because a lot of places are like this. A lot of places are really like this, where you find that the pools have been neglected for years, the whole facilities have been neglected for years, the mayors just don't try to do anything. But in this instance, as you can see, that the minister have been able to come together, saying that other business people have been able to come together so that they can try to see what they can do in the communities, rebuild for the youth, rebuild for families to enjoy together. Like the minister had said, that this year it's not mainly about building new things, but it is more about refurnishing things that have already been there, rejuvenating them, making them new. So that is also a very interesting thing. And as you see this place, Patriots, and the minister already stepping in, promising that he'll be fixing some stuff, it will also be very, very interesting. Very, very interesting to see just how the minister will be able to, how soon the minister will actually be able to do refurnish this, make it brand new. It will be very interesting, and we will all be on the lookout, because once it happens, we will all come back and say, do you remember that pool? Now the minister has actually stepped up. Look at the place. Totally destroyed, totally dry, looking like no glimpse of hope, whereas people always need a glimpse of hope in their communities, glimpse of hope that kids will be on the right track. Always very beautiful when minister and others are working very hard together, because the most important thing is serving the people of the community, especially having people who really care about their communities. So this instance, see just how people who actually believe in the president are just so happy, excited, thinking of the good things that the minister is going to do, especially knowing that he's a man of his word, action man. So patriots, hope you enjoyed this video that I shared with you, and I hope you continue to come back for more. Onsibazani patriots, onsibazani, salute. Please do continue to like, share and subscribe. Also don't mind commenting under the comment section. Down goes.
Nothing. Sure, I would do honestly.